Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Alfredo Soto, Keller Williams. I sell homes here in Tulare County, and I'm in the back of this beautiful home just relaxing under this beautiful palm tree here. Today I'm at 263 Montana De Oro St in Tulare, California, and we're gonna go and check this place out. Okay, that was 263 Montana De Oro St in Tulare, Montana De Oro. If you guys are interested and want to take a look at it, feel free and give me a call, text me, and we can make an appointment. You can also visit ReadySearchHomes.com. That's ReadySearchHomes.com to book an appointment. You guys have a wonderful day. Ciao.